Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Haris bin Muhammad Shukri and my metric number is 01DE24F1004. Today I will be presenting practical work 2 from the subject Semiconductor device, focusing on diodes as rectifiers and clippers. A diode is a semiconductor device that allows current to flow in only one direction. It is widely used in electronics, especially in rectifier circuits to convert AC to DC and in clipper circuits to limit voltage levels. The objective of this experiment is to investigate how diodes work in rectifier and clipper circuits, helping us understand their practical application. For half-wave rectifier, components and circuit path, V in input AC signal, 4 VPP volts peak to peak, 500 Hz. This is a small AC signal source. D1 diode 1N4001 allows current to flow in only one direction, from anode to cathode. R1 load resistor 12k ohm used to convert the circuit into voltage which is measured as the output Vout. XY output terminals where Vout is measured. AB input terminals where Vin is applied. Positive half cycle. The anode of D1 is positive relative to the cathode. The diode becomes forward biased and conducts. Current flows A to D to D1 to X to R1 to Y to B. Output voltage Vout follows the positive half of the input sine wave. Negative half cycle. The anode of D1 is negative relative to the cathode. The diode is reverse biased and does not conduct. No current flows, so Vout is 0 volt during this half cycle. For full wave bridge rectifier, components and circuit paths, T1 transformer step down 240 VAC to a lower AC voltage. The secondary side of the transformer has two output terminals, A and B. 4 diode bridge arranged in bridge configuration. RL load resistor 3.3k ohm. Output is taken across this resistor. CD output terminals where the DC waveform is measured. Positive half cycle. Diodes D1 and D3 conduct. Path A to D1 to RL to D3 to B. Voltage across RL is positive. Negative half cycle. Diodes D2 and D4 conduct. B to D2 to RL to D4 to A. Again, voltage across RL is positive. In both cases, current flows through RL in the same direction, giving a continuous positive output. For clipper, VI AC input voltage, D diode connected in series, anode to input A, cathode to resistor D. R resistor connected to ground. VO output voltage taken across resistor R. This is a positive series clipper. Function of the clipper circuit. The main function of this clipper is to act as a gatekeeper, allowing current flow only in one direction. Positive half cycle of VI. VI is positive at point A. Diode D is forward bias. Diode conducts current, so the positive half of the input waveform appears at the output. Negative half cycle of VI. VI is negative at point A. Diode D is reverse bias. Diode blocks current, acts like an open switch. No current flows through R, so VO equals to 0 volt. The negative half of the input waveform is clipped on completely. Application of this clipper protects circuits from negative voltage spike. Shape waveforms for digital logic circuits. Signal processing in radio, TV and communication system act as a simple voltage limiter.